In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a resume link from Google Drive. If you already have your resume uploaded to Google Drive, the next part is making sure other people can actually open it when you send the link. This is important because if the sharing settings are too restricted, recruiters or hiring managers may click your resume and see an access request instead of the document itself. That can create unnecessary friction, so it's a good idea to set this up correctly before you send anything out. Start by locating your resume file inside Google Drive. Once you find it, right-click on the file to open the Options menu. In that menu, click Share. This will open the sharing settings for that specific document. Inside the Share window, look for the section called General Access. This area controls who can open your file using a link. By default, your file may be restricted, which usually means only you or only specific people you've manually added can view it. To make your resume easy to send and access, change this setting to anyone with the link. After that, check the permission level, sometimes called the role. Make sure it is set to viewer. This part is very important. Setting the file to viewer allows people to open and read your resume, but it prevents them from editing the document. Since a resume is meant to be shared, not changed by others, viewer is the safest and most professional option. Once those settings are in place, click Copy Link. This copies the shareable Google Drive link to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need it, like in an email, a job application, or a message to a recruiter. Before sending the link out, it's a smart idea to test it yourself. Paste the link into a browser where you're not signed in, or open it in a private browsing window, just to confirm that it works the way you expect. That quick check can help you avoid access problems later. And that's it. By making your resume available to anyone with the link and setting the role to viewer, you make it easy for others to access your document while keeping it protected from edits. Once you copy the link, you're ready to share your resume confidently.